Hello friends, welcome to your very own YouTube channel, and this is Dr. Nikita Nanwani here, hashtag N3, and here I am with another super easy and quick mnemonic for the day in a difficult topic, that is line weaver work plot. So today we are going to learn the mnemonic for how to identify the graph of line weaver work plot, how to identify whether this is competitive inhibition by enzyme or it's non-competitive or uncompetitive inhibition. I understand that biochemistry and the graph-based questions are found difficult by many medical students, but I assure you that I'll make it easy for you in this quick video. So let's get on with it. So the first one, that is, let us see the three graphs that we have here. So the first graph that we have here, okay, so look at the first graph here. What's happening to the line here? So what we see here is that the lines are crossing. So remember that when it is crossing, okay, the lines are crossing. Let me demonstrate this to you. So like this is without the inhibitor and the red is the inhibitor. So when the lines are crossing, remember C for crossing, C for competitive, it's a competitive inhibition. When you will see that the two lines are parallel, okay, the two lines are parallel like this, then parallel is U. When you write U, the two lines are parallel. And when you see that the two lines are forming a V, okay, the two lines are forming a V like this, then it is N, that is non-competitive inhibition. I'll tell you how basically these mnemonics are. So what do we see is basically when the two lines are crossing. All right, so let us have a look at this. So when the two lines are crossing, so remember C for cross and C for competitive inhibition. All right, look at the second graph. Now when the lines are forming a V, so we said that when they are forming a V, this V is basically N, right? You can write it as N. When you write N, it has ulta V and it has Sida V. It's all made up of V. So basically it is non-competitive inhibition. And when you have the lines which are parallel, right? You are seeing the lines which are parallel. So parallel lines, basically when you write U, the two lines which are parallel, they tell you that it is uncompetitive inhibition. So quickly revising, crossed competitive, V non-competitive, and parallel is U, that is uncompetitive inhibition. Let's have a look at the other graph here now. Now look at this graph. So basically also remember that in line weaver work plot, the line which is on the upper side is basically the one which is the inhibitor. So look at this one. These two lines which are above, those are the inhibitors, and the one which is below, that is basically the uninhibited enzyme. Right? Now let us see that this line, if you are asked, identify A and identify B, what type of inhibition it is. So look at the line A and its relation with the uninhibited enzyme. So you will see that this inhibitor is basically crossing, right? The two lines are crossing here. So it is competitive inhibition. Crossing C, crossing is competitive. The next line, that is the line B. Look at its relation with the uninhibited enzyme. Basically, it's forming V, right? So we said that when it is V, it is basically N. So it is non-competitive inhibition. That is what we can see here. It's a non-competitive inhibition, right? Now let's have a look at this assessment question. Identify the type of enzyme inhibition in this image that you are seeing here. Please post your answers in the comments, and I want each one of you to get this right. And if you have got this mnemonic, like you've liked this mnemonic, please do not forget to hit the like button and also share it with your friends. And yes, do not forget to subscribe so that we stay connected for further easy mnemonics tricks and concepts to make your medical journey easy. So that was for today. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Till then, goodbye. Take care and keep studying, keep revising, and keep winning. Thank you.